Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video I am going to show you how to add Arbitrum to MetaMask wallet. Arbitrum is cryptocurrency network designed as a scalability solution for Ethereum blockchain. To add Arbitrum to MetaMask wallet, first open your MetaMask application on your mobile phone. Make sure that you are logged into your MetaMask account. Now here you can see the home page of your wallet. Now on the top you can see the network that you are using. Tap on the network. With that, now here tap on add network option on the down. Then here you can see the option of Arbitrum 1. Tap on add option on the side of Arbitrum 1. With that, here you can see your display name, chain ID, network URL, currency symbol as well as block exporter URL. After that, here you need to tap on confirm. With that, your Arbitrum 1 network will be added. Now tap on the option of switch to network. With that, you'll be able to add Arbitrum to MetaMask wallet. Now here you need to know following of the things so that you are connected to Arbitrum 1. First is that the native token of this network is Ethereum. If you attempt to send assets directly from one network to another, this may result in permanent asset loss. Token detection is enabled, so tokens will automatically show up in your wallet. After that, tap on Got It option. As you can see on the top that my MetaMask has been connected to Arbitrum 1. This is how we can add Arbitrum to MetaMask wallet. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.